Okay, so if you want to set your Baofeng up, set your Baofeng to make that alarm, it is very simple. You have to press the menu button.
Menu.
And when you press the menu button, okay, you press it again.
Squelch.
Okay. There are very many different modes when it comes to this Baofeng, so you have to move through and look for the alarm mode. I'll show it to you. Okay, so that is the alarm mode. Okay, so in the alarm mode, when you find the alarm mode, there is a small arrow here on the screen. Press the menu again, it will go to the down one. The down one has the word tone. You select the word tone. So use these arrows to move, and you have three options. You have sight, you have code, and you have tone. So you have sight, code, and tone. So when you put in tone, press again menu.
Confirm.
It will tell you it has confirmed, which means the alarm is set now. What you do on the sides here, there is this orange button. You just long press it, and then you'll have your alarm. Let's try it. To stop it, you just press once. You just press once. So that is how you set up the alarm on this Baofeng UV-5R. If you want to give me a like, subscribe, and share, I'll be showing you how to set up another model of alarm, another type of alarm in the next video.